students, all of children. Today I am going to start by asking some questions. First of all, Udayamanikyam schools students, raise your hand. All the Udayamanikyam school students, raise your hand. Udayamanikyam school students, raise your hands. Yes, Sravanti. What is your father?
Sir,
What is your father?
handloom weaver.
Amma?
Handloom weaver, sir.
Weaver. Weaving is one profession.
Yes.
Yes. Beside your house, what's their profession? Besides your house, your neighbor's profession is. Sravanti,
Sir,
your neighbor's profession is. Like your father, what they are doing? What is their profession? Soumya, Kalikiri, Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, what's your father's profession?
Yes, sir.
What is your father's profession?
My father was
Your father is a
Janapada Kalakar, sir.
Janapada Kalakar. Very good. Traditional artist. He is an artist. Very good.
Yes.
Yes, that means here, I think you all understand that different people in different areas, they are engaged in different professions, activities. For example, first girl who is that Sravanti said, her father is a
Weaver.
Weaving is a profession. Here we have to understand there are so many professions and there are different activities to run their families for their better life. So many students in this class, their parents are engaged in agriculture sector. That means growing so many crops, different crops. This comes under agriculture sector. It is also called primary sector. These sectors helps to run their life, to earn something for their family, for their better livelihood. Somebody in this class, their parents are fishing. Their profession is fishing. Some are in mining, and some are electrician, and some are teachers. These are all different professions. That means to run our home for our better life, our family, to run our family, how our fathers work for our who are in the they are all the members in the family, and we work in different sectors. Look at the first slide, Elias. First slide. All of you look at the first slide. Yes, our economy divided into three important sectors. One is primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Primary sector means there are some activities which are fishing, forestry, mining. These are all comes under agriculture sector. This primary sector is also called agriculture sector. Cultivation is also part in. Second one is secondary sector. Secondary sector is also called industrial sector. There are some activities, manufacturing processes, industries, construction. These are all comes under secondary or industrial sector. Third one, service sector or tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. First two sectors, primary sector and secondary sectors, goods. It is goods. But last sector, which is service sector, not produce any good. They provide only services. Being a teacher, I am teaching a lesson in online class, now Zoom class. I am paid salary per month. That means I am providing service. Who are working as principals, teachers, doctors, lawyers, all are comes under service sector because they provide services. Next slide. Next slide, please. See in this slide, I given some of the occupations. You have to classify them. What we learned in the first point. That means, for example, I do first one as example. Tailor. Tailor comes under service sector. He stitches the clothes. You have to pay some amount for the sake of stitch the clothes. Paid one. In that way, basket weaver, if they are plastic baskets, they comes under industrial sector. Flower cultivator, any one of you, it is related to what sector? Primary, secondary, or
primary sector.
Very good. Primary sector, agriculture. They are producing in the field. They are comes under crop, flowers, cultivator. Next one, milk vendor. Milk vendor comes under
service
sector. Milk vendor. You have to see the last word, vendor. Fisherman.
Service.
Fisherman. Primary sector.
Primary sector.
I already said some of the activities. One is forestry, in the play, fishing. Last one, mining. They're all comes under. These are all activities comes under primary sector. Priest also provides services. He pray God for the sake of entire the people in the village or in the world, for the welfare of the world. See, this is comes under priest comes under service sector. Courier.
Service sector.
I think you understand what occupations comes under what sector. Next one is, next slide, workers in match factory. Workers in match factory. Somebody say loudly.
Secondary sector.
Secondary sector. Because factory, industry comes under industrial or secondary sector. Money lender.
Secondary sector.
No, it is also comes under service sector. Because you give some money for the sake of interest. You have to pay some interest. లక్ష రూపాయలు తీసుకోవాలనుకున్నాం or బయట ఎంత వడ్డీ దొరుకుతుంది తెలుసా మీకు బయట ఏం జరుగుతుంది తెలుసా ఎవరో somebody is turning pages. Don't disturb. By doing other activities you should turn your phone mute. Yes, what is happening outside of the school? Do you know economic activities? If you want to take some amount from anybody, you want to lend some money, then are they giving money? Are they give money for the sake of give and take? What is going on there? You have to pay some interest for capital.
Yes.
If you take 1 lakh rupee, you have to write on a paper promissory note. Do you know promissory note? Promissory note? Yes. For whom to whom they are paying, how much they are paying, at what interest they are paying, on which date they are paying. All the information are laid down in the promissory note. So this is happening in the outside of the school, economic activity. See, for that purpose, here money lender comes under service sector. They are not giving freely the amount. Those who ask the amount, they have to take some benefit. It is for profit. For the sake of their consuming time, they have to pay some amount, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 1 rupee 50 paise, like this, you have to pay. So this is happening. Now, next slide. I think next gardener, porter, beekeeper, all comes under all these.
Primary sector.
Yes.
Primary sector.
Primary sector. Gardener, porter, beekeeper. Very good. Astronaut.
Service sector.
Service sector.
Yes. Call center employee. Service sector.
Service sector.
Service sector.
All these comes under these last two occupations comes under service sector. Now, next slide. See this slide. This is the table showing the percentage of workers employed in different sector in 1972, 73, 2009 and 10. After 30 years, what happened? See, they compared the years 1972 to 2009. Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, not tertiary. T silent, tertiary sector. What happened? You observe that table given in the textbook, page number 29. Page number 29. Observe the picture. Page number 29. All of you look at the slide or in your textbook. It is there in the textbook. What happened? What happened in the figures? Observe it in the different sectors. In each sector, what happened? Compare them from 1972 to 2009. Here, why they given first of all the years 19.
Agriculture sector is decreasing and industrial sector is increasing, sir.
Last one, service sector.
Sector also increase it, sir.
Means share of the agriculture sector to the Indian economy declined. Follow me what I am saying. And share of the remaining two sectors, secondary and service sectors, to the Indian economy increased. Isn't it? I said two lines. Do you follow me, all of you? All of you, do you follow me, all of you? Yes, first
Yes, sir.
agriculture sector economy share decreased, and the rest two sectors secondary and tertiary sectors share increased. This is happened. That means shifting the professions, occupations from primary to what is happened here, from the labor who worked in agriculture, shifting their profession from agriculture sector to industrial.
Industrial sector.
Some are
Into
joined
service.
service sector. That means agriculture sector share and employment declined in agriculture sector. Yes, look at these pictures. Next slide, look at this slide. Yes, look at this picture. I think all of us came from village side. Yes, look at this slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what they are doing?
First and second picture.
Yes, transplanting the paddy.
Paddy crop.
Yes, paddy. For paddy crop, they are transplanting. That means here it is one activity. Do you know what are the activities in growing the crops in the fields? Do you know? Any one of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What are the activities one by one? First one, when you want to grow crops, I think all of you observed in the fields in your villages, you are taking so much rest. I think all of you are observing what is happening in the world outside of the school. Yes. Look at this picture. It is first one, transplanting. Like this, what are the steps we have to take one by one in the cultivation to grow the crop? Any one of you raise your hand and say,
Fluffing, watering.
Ma, continue the Chepuma. First one is plowing. Next one,
Terminating seeds.
Emma, seeding, transplantation, like this picture, transplantation, winnowing,
Watering. Spraying.
All these are all activities in the growing crop. See,
Harvesting.
for all as harvesting, very good. Harvesting also one of the activity in the growing crops. Winnowing, threshing. You have to use these words, terms.
Irrigation.
Yes, irrigation. మనం అంతా చేసి నీళ్లు పట్టకపోతే పంట చేతికి రాదు కదా.
Yes, sir.
But in the rainy season, most of the farmers depending on the rains and they grow the crops with the help of rains. Need not irrigate the land. Yes, those who have bore wells, tube wells, then those who are not depending on the what it is rainfall, they go through the bore wells and tube wells. Then it is also one of the important one. Now, second picture. Look at this picture. Next slide, please. Yes, what is happening? He is doing there? What do you observe?
Mining.
Yes.
He is operating a machine, sir.
Yes, he is operating a mission. Operator. That means industrial sector. Here in these first two sectors, what you observed in the first two pictures, they are producing something. You have to keep it in mind. First two sectors you see in the pictures. First one is comes under agriculture sector. Second picture comes under industrial sector.
Industry.
Next slide, please. See this slide. What is happening in this picture? What is going on?
Mining
Service sector.
Yes,
Service.
The picture is not clear, but I give the information what is happening there, what is going on. They are laying road. They are laying tar road. All of you observed so many times what is going on the roads. Sometimes pits damage the road, and we can't move freely, fastly, and so many accidents occurred with the help for the sake of pits. So laying road is also one of the important aspects. It comes under service sector.
Service sector.
They are providing and they are paid some salaries. Labor, they are all laborers. Service sector. Now, page number 29. Page number 29. Look at the picture. What they given? First picture. Observe the picture and mention the sector which they belong to. First picture.
Primary sector.
Primary sector.
Agriculture sector. Second picture belongs to.
Primary sector.
Yes, agriculture sector. That means mining, digging deep into the earth and excavate all the material which is inside of the earth, and it is very, very useful for our Indian economy. So it is also comes under agriculture sector.
Service.
What picture belongs to?
Service sector.
Service sector. Yes, behind him, behind you all, you have to observe the picture neatly, cleanly. Behind him, there are some what they are called telecommunication, isn't it? Yes, some wires, towers. Some towers are there which is connected with wires, and now without wire, from here to your house, you are listening the classes online. It comes under telecommunication. That means they are providing services. Who are behind in it? They are all service sector employees, technical employees. Next, fourth one. What is going on?
Industrial sector.
Industrial sector. They are manufacturing some goods. Look at that. Some fridges, some refrigerators, washing machines. These are all some goods which are helpful to survive our life, and they are made some goods. So it comes under industrial sector. Now I think you understand these are all different profession people who work for their families. They are all named with different professions. Porter, weaver, teacher, farmer, these are all different professions. Now I think you understand any economy of a country divide into these important three sectors. Yes, one by one, any one of you say loudly, one of you raise your hand. Ilyas will give opportunity from Pilar School. Any one of you raise your hand. What are the important sectors of an economy? Any one of you. Pilar School students, what are the different important sectors of economy of a country? Raise your hand. Is it difficult one? Pilar School students, where you are? Pilar School students. Tejaswini.
Agricultural sector. Sorry.
Continuously you say loudly, one by one.
Agricultural sector, service sector, primary sector.
Is it wrong or right? Udayamanikyam school. Raise your hand.
Right, sir.
Right?
Sir.
Udayamanikyam.
Wrong, sir.
Chetana, what is right one?
sector. Sir, it is right.
Wait. Chandana. Continuous.
The first one is primary sector.
Very good.
The secondary or manufacturing sector.
Yes.
Third one is the service sector.
Very good. Now I am again repeating primary, secondary, service. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary. This is one line. You have to keep it in mind. Don't forget. Next one. Agriculture sector, secondary agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. Agriculture, industrial, service. Either this or that. This or that. Don't say agriculture sector, primary sector, industrial sector, service sector, secondary sector. If this is all combining one by again, you are repeating the same sector. Don't confuse. Once again, I am telling primary, secondary, tertiary. Agriculture, industrial, service.
Service.
Okay? Okay, all of you okay? Yes, next one.
Okay.
Next slide, please. Next slide. Yes, look at this side. Next slide. Next. Yes, look at this. GDP. GDP, gross domestic product. GDP means it stands for gross domestic product. I think in the 9th standard in economics lesson, you understand what is NNP, GDP, GNP, all these one. Now, in this lesson, we go through only GDP. GDP is nothing but the total value of goods and services for throughout the year, in a year. Total goods and services produced in the country in a year is called GDP.
GDP.
GDP stands for, then you have to say gross domestic product.
Domestic.
అంటే గట్టి అనుకోకూడదు అక్కడ. స్థూల దేశీయ ఉత్పత్తి అంటే మన దేశంలో మాత్రమే వస్తువులు ఎన్ని ఉత్పత్తి అవుతున్నాయి, సేవలకు విలువ కడితే అది ఎంత విలువ అవుతుంది అనేది చూసినట్లయితే మనం స్థూల దేశీయ ఉత్పత్తి, జీడిపి, గ్రాస్ డొమెస్టిక్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ద టోటల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్, ఐఎమ్ స్ట్రెస్సింగ్ ద టోటల్ value of, we have to say some value to any good or any service. I am providing service here in this class. I have to pay some salary for one period or one day. That means the value of my class is in rupees. Like that, doctor's value. If you go to hospital, what is the interaction between you and hospital? If you enter into the hospital, they have to enroll the name. What is the patient name? Yes, they have to take a card and they write age, weight, temperature. Then they collect some, they show their palm. In front of you, they show their palm. That means what they are asking. Any one of you, what they are asking? You go to the hospital, are they looking you as a patient freely, free of cost? What is happening? What happens in the hospitals every day? Are they provide service at the free of cost? Say something. What is in your mind? Say loudly. Don't hesitate. Is it wrong or right? Don't hesitate. Speak something. Interact with me. Time is very less. Only 4 minutes. Hurry up. Hurry up. What is happening in the hospital? If you go to the hospital, are they looking you as a patient at the free of cost?
Only in
మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా. మాట్లాడాలి.
Sir, in government, they don't take money, sir.
Very good, very good. In government hospital, they don't take any amount. Yes. Next one.
They treat for free, sir, without taking amount.
I'm not asking government hospitals. Next one.
Private, sir.
Private. What is happening there?
They take money for everything.
Yes, they take for
They
everything.
don't profit for treating people, sir.
Yes, for testing purpose, for meeting the doctor purpose, for medicines purpose, they took money. This is happening. That means they are all paid one services for the services. Here you see the definition, the total value of all the goods. And what is their next word? Next word? Services.
Services.
Used in a country in a year. ఒక సంవత్సర కాలంలో వస్తువులు ప్రజలందరూ కలిసి ఎంత వస్తువులు ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తారు, వాళ్ళు ఎంత సేవలు ఇస్తారు, దానికి ఎంత విలువ కట్టాలి, అవన్నిటిని డబ్బు రూపంలో చెప్తే మొత్తంగా దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే మనం జీడిపి. జీడిపి the total value of goods and services in a year in the country. Yes, any one of you raise any question in this class, if you have any doubt, you ask me. 2 minutes time left. Any one of you raise your hand and take chance to speak. What do you understand in this class? Do you have any Pavani? Yes, Pavani. Speak.
Sir, how they calculate GDP, sir?
In the next class, it is not easy to understand 1 minute. It is the topic of next class. Very nice. GDP. Today we have only 2 minutes. Because of that, I am stopping here. I am not able to answer to you. Yes, any one of you, another one, raise your hand. No time. Any one of you, raise your hand. Anupriya. మాట్లాడుకో. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారమ్మా? అనుప్రియ మాట్లాడమ్మా. Raise your hand. Most of the students not in the video call. They are in the class. Advocate, Rakshayani, so many students. So it should not be continue in the next class. All of you be in the video call. Yes, thank you one and all. Thank you. I think all of you understand. You followed, I think, this lesson. All of you read the lesson first. Yes. All of you read the third lesson. Thank you, ma. Thank you.